Hi children, in this video we are going to learn 8th standard mathematics chapter 5 playing with numbers topic test of divisibility. Today let us learn about the rules of divisibility. These rules will help us determine whether a given number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out the division. Let us have a look at different divisibility rules. Divisibility rules of 2, divisibility rules of 3, divisibility rules of 4, divisibility rules of 5, divisibility rules of 6, divisibility rules of 8, divisibility rules of 9, divisibility rules of 10 and divisibility rules of 11. Let's check out the divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Let's see some examples for divisibility rule of 2. Look at the given number 924. Here, units digit is 4. 4 is an even number. So, 924 is divisible by 2. Look at the another number 61,953. Here, units digit is 3. 3 is not an even number. 3 is an odd number. Hence, 61,953 is not divisible by 2. Let's see one more example. 9,050. Here, units digit is 0. 0 is an even number. So, 9,050 is divisible by 2. Let's learn about divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Let's see some examples for divisibility rule of 3. Look at the given number 753. When we add all the digits, that is 7 plus 5 plus 3, we get the sum as 15. We know that 15 is divisible by 3. Thus, we conclude 753 is divisible by 3. Look at the another number 6058. When we add all the digits, that is 6 plus 0 plus 5 plus 8, we get the sum as 19. We know that 19 is not divisible by 3. So, we say that the given number 6058 is not divisible by 3. Let's learn about divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is ones and tens digits, is divisible by 4. Let's learn about divisibility rule of 4 with the help of some examples. Look at the given number 564. Here, its last two digits is 64. Already we know that 64 is divisible by 4. So, the whole number 564 is divisible by 4. Look at the another number 97,318. Here the last two digits is 18. We know that 18 is not divisible by 4. So the whole number 97,318 is not divisible by 4. Let's learn about divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 0 or 5. Let's see some examples for divisibility rule of 5. Look at the given number 790. Here the ones digit is 0. Hence 790 is divisible by 5. Look at the another number 435. Here ones digit is 5. Hence 435 is divisible by 5. Let's see one more example. The given number is 981. Here ones digit is 1, not 0, not 5. Hence the number 981 is not divisible by 5. Next, divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's see some examples for divisibility rules of 6. Look at the given number 320. What is the divisibility rules of 6? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now we are going to apply the rules of 2 and 3. Divisibility rules of 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. The number 320 is divisible by 2 because ones digit is 0. 0 is an even number. Thus, the whole number 320 is divisible by 2. Then, rules of 3. Is it divisible by 3? The number 320 is not divisible by 3 because when we add all the digits, that is 3 plus 2 plus 0, we get the sum as 5. We know that 5 is not divisible by 3. Here the number 320 is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Hence 320 is not divisible by 6. Let's see one more example for divisibility rule of 6. The given number is 4872. Now we are going to apply the divisibility rules of 2 and 3. Divisibility rules of 2. Here ones digit is 2. 2 is an even number. Hence 4872 is divisible by 2. Then rules of 3. When we add all the digits, that is 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2, we get the sum as 21. We know that 21 is divisible by 3. Here the given number 4872 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, the given number 4872 is divisible by 6. Let's learn about divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 0 or. Now we are going to learn divisibility rules of 8 with the help of some examples. Look at the given number 6752. What is the divisibility rules of 8? A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Here the last 3 digits are 752. Let's check 752 is divisible by 8 or not. 9 8s are 72. Now subtract 72 from 75. We get 3 as remainder. Then bring down the next digit. Now we have 32. 32 divided by 8. We will get 4 as the quotient. 4 8s are 32. Now remainder is 0. So last 3 digits 752 is divisible by 8. So we say that 6752 is divisible by 8. Let's see one more example. 5418. Here the last 3 digits are 418. 8. 5 8s are 40. Now subtract 40 from 41. We will get 1 as remainder. Then bring down the next digit 8. Now we have 18. 18 divided by 8. We will get 2 as quotient. 2 8s are 16. Now subtract 16 from 18. We will get 2 as remainder. So the last 3 digits 418 is not divisible by 8. Hence 5418 is not divisible by 8. Now we are going to learn about divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Now we are going to see some examples for divisibility rule of 9. Look at the given number 732. When we add all the digits, that is 7 plus 3 plus 2, we get the sum as 12. We know that 12 is not divisible by 9. Hence, the whole number 732 is not divisible by 9. Let's see one more example. Look at the given number 69,768. When we add all the digits, that is 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8, we get the sum as 36. We know that 36 is divisible by 9. Hence, we say that 69,768 is divisible by 9. Let's learn about divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Today, let us learn about the rules of divisibility. These rules will help us determine whether a given number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out the division. Let us have a look at different divisibility rules. Divisibility rules of 2, divisibility rules of 3, divisibility rules of 4, divisibility rules of 5, divisibility rules of 6, divisibility rules of 8, divisibility rules of 9, divisibility rules of 10 and divisibility rules of 11. Let's learn about divisibility rule of 11. Difference between the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Let's see some examples for divisibility rules of 11. Look at the given number 73,019. What is the divisibility rules of 11? Sum of odd places minus sum of even places is either 0 or multiples of 11. Here, the odd places are 9, 0 and 7. Sum of odd places mean 9 plus 0 plus 7 minus even places are 1 and 3. Sum of even places mean 1 plus 3. So, 9 plus 7, 16 minus 1 plus 3, 4. 16 minus 4 equal 12. 12 is not divisible by 11. Hence, 73,019 is not divisible by 11. Let's see one more example for divisibility rules of 11. 80,036. The divisibility rules of 11 is sum of odd places minus sum of even places is either 0 or multiples of 11. Here, the odd places are 6, 0 and 8. Sum of odd places mean 6 plus 0 plus 8 minus the even places are 3 and 0. Sum of even places mean 3 plus 0. Here 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 3 plus 0 is 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. Here 11 is divisible by 11. So, 80,036 is divisible by 11. Let's see exercise problem. If the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4, what might be the ones digit of n? Solution: any number n can be written as n equal a multiple of 5 plus units digit equal a multiple of 5 plus units digit can be written as a multiple of 5 plus 4. Units digit of n equal multiple of 5 plus 4. Units digit of n equal 0 plus 4 or 5 plus 4. That is 4 or 9. Let's see one more problem. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? Solution: Since 21y5 is a multiple of 9. The divisibility rules of 9 is sum of its digits is divisible by 9. When we add all the digits, that is 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5, we get the sum as 8 plus y. 8 plus y is a multiple of 9. Here, 8 plus y is one of the number 9. So, the possible number is y equal 1. Now, it is your time to remember all these divisibility rules and find out the answers. First question, if a number is divisible by 10, then it is also divisible by dash. Option A 2, option B 5, option C both 2 and 5, option D both 2 and 8. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Option C both 2 and 5. Second question, largest 3-digit number divisible by 5 is dash. Option A 990, option B 995, option C 998, option D 999. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Option B 995. The divisibility rules of 5 is a number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 0 or 5. Here, two numbers are divisible by 5. The numbers 990 and 995 are divisible by 5. But from these two numbers, 995 is the largest number. So, option B is correct. Third question, a number is divisible by 6 is also divisible by dash. Option A 2 only, option B 3 only, option C 4 only, option D both 2 and 3. Which is correct? Yes. Option D both 2 and 3. Next question. If the number 379 star is divisible by 5, then the value of star is dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 5, option D 0 or 5. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Option D 0 or 5. The divisibility rules of 5 is a number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 0 or 5. Next question. If the number 2A3 is divisible by 9, then A can be replaced by dash. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Option B 4. The rules of 9 is a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So, the possible number is 4. Next question. Which of the following is divisible by 2? Option A 1145, option B 107, option C 7326, option D 89. Which is correct? Yes. Option C 7326. The divisibility rules of 2 is a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So, option C is correct. Thank you, children.